Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pro cameras is probably one of the most important investments a photographer can make, impacting image quality, versatility, and durability significantly. Choosing the right professional camera depends on various factors, from sensor size and resolution to autofocus performance and video capabilities. This video will guide you through the essential features and considerations to help you find the perfect professional camera to elevate your photography or videography to the next level, no matter your skill level or budget. Number 5. Canon EOS R8 Camera Kit. Introducing the Canon EOS R8, our lightest full-frame mirrorless camera yet. It packs a powerful punch with a 24.2 MP sensor and DigicX processor, all in a compact body. Experience exceptional image quality with improved resolution at low ISO and reduced noise at high ISO. It also boasts a wide dynamic range for stunning detail. Capture breathtaking 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K. It also offers full HD high frame rate recording at up to 180 frames per second. It features dual pixel CMOS AF2, covering 100% of the frame with 1053 AF zones. This advanced system uses deep learning to automatically detect people, animals, vehicles, and even aircraft. Enjoy a smooth shooting experience with its bright OLED electronic viewfinder and vari-angle touchscreen. It's designed for intuitive operation and ease of use. With its long recording times and webcam functionality, it's perfect for vlogging, streaming, and any creative project. It's versatile and ready for any situation. What we like. It boasts a full-frame sensor for superior image quality and 4K video capabilities for stunning footage. Its advanced autofocus system ensures sharp focus on various subjects, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. If you demand top-tier image quality and versatile video recording, this is the one for you. What people say. The Canon R8 is a fantastic camera that has exceeded my expectations in every way. As someone who enjoys both photography and videography, I found the R8 to be incredibly versatile. Its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality, with rich colors and excellent low-light performance. I was particularly impressed by how well it handles high ISO levels, allowing for crisp, noise-free images even in dim conditions. For me, it is the best possible camera for what I do, and I am a high-end professional who does a lot of active and adventure shooting. This makes the size perfect. I'm constantly blown away with the image quality, especially in low light, and the amount of details it captures. A full-frame camera that offers the picture and video quality of cameras costing 3 to 4 times its price. Moreover, it's light and compact enough to take anywhere and anytime. And it, with my new adapter, can use my high-end EF lenses, too. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR. It's the perfect camera for capturing stunning photos and videos. Its user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their skill level. This camera boasts a powerful 24.1 megapixel sensor, ensuring your images are incredibly detailed and sharp. You'll capture every moment with exceptional clarity. It features improved autofocus technology, including dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, for quick and precise focusing. Say goodbye to blurry photos. Effortlessly share your memories. It has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, allowing for seamless transfer of your photos and videos to your smartphone or computer. It comes with 2 versatile lenses, an 18 to 55 mm lens for everyday shooting and a 75-300 mm lens for capturing distant subjects. You'll be prepared for any photographic opportunity. Record stunning full HD 1080p videos with it. Capture all your precious moments in high definition. Turn it into a high-quality webcam with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. Perfect for video conferencing and streaming. What we like. This camera features a responsive dual-pixel CMOS AF system and a high-resolution APS-C sensor, delivering excellent image quality at an affordable price. It's perfect for beginners and those on a budget who still want great performance. If you are a beginner or on a budget, but still want good image quality, this is a great option. What people say. Fast and lightweight. The 24.1 MP APS-C sensor captures sharp and vibrant images with great detail, even in low-light situations. The 18 to 55mm lens is great for everyday shots, while the 75 to 300mm lens offers solid zoom capabilities for wildlife, sports, and portrait photography. Number 3. Canon EOS RP Camera Kit. It's the perfect blend of portability and power. This full-frame mirrorless camera is designed for travel and vlogging. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it ideal for taking on any adventure. You'll barely notice it's there. The included RF 24 to 105mm lens offers a versatile zoom range, perfect for capturing everything from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. It boasts impressive optical image stabilization, correcting up to 5 stops of shake. Say goodbye to blurry photos and videos. Get incredibly close to your subject with its impressive macro capabilities. Capture stunning detail like never before. Easily turn it into a high-quality webcam using the EOS utility software or a clean HDMI output. Perfect for video conferencing. Capture your memories in breathtaking 4K UHD resolution. Your videos will look incredibly sharp and detailed. What we like. Its compact and lightweight design, coupled with a versatile zoom lens, makes it perfect for travel and vlogging. The image stabilization ensures sharp photos and videos even when shooting on the go. If you value portability and versatility without compromising image quality, this camera is for you. What people say. The video on this is amazing. Huge step up from the T3i. The face-detecting autofocus works great and nearly all of my shots are perfectly in focus unless it's super dark, which it has a little more of a struggle with, but obviously any camera would. The photo capability has shocked me even more than the video. The autofocus on this is so much better. The full-frame sensor on this camera makes a huge difference too. The low light performance is so much better and the size of these photos is insane. The camera fits my hand like a glove and it's super compact but very comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. All the buttons are in easy reach and the camera is highly customizable. The EV and LCD screens are more than adequate and I have no issue when manually focusing, very precise. Autofocus and eye tracking are awesome too, makes shooting portraits a breeze. Number 2. Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 Kit. Get ready to explore the world of photography with this incredible kit. It includes everything you need to start capturing stunning images and videos. This camera boasts a powerful sensor, ensuring your photos are rich in detail and vibrant in color. It's perfect for capturing memories that will last a lifetime. The versatile 18 to 55mm lens is just the beginning. This kit also includes a wide-angle and telephoto lens, giving you creative flexibility. It's not just for photos, it records full HD 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Capture all the action smoothly and clearly. With intuitive modes like Scene Intelligent Auto and Creative Auto, it's easy to use, even for beginners. Start taking amazing photos right away. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need: a 64GB memory card, a case, a filter kit, a flash, and a tripod. You're all set to start your photography journey. Share your masterpieces instantly. It features built-in Wi-Fi and NFC for easy sharing to your smartphone or tablet. Get closer to the action with its 3x optical zoom. Capture details from afar without losing image quality. What we like. This bundle offers incredible value, including the camera body, lens, and a wide array of accessories. It's a great entry-level option for those looking to start their photography journey with everything they need. If you're a beginner and want a complete kit without breaking the bank, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The camera itself is very user-friendly and very simple to use and understand the functionality of every single buttons. The screen is bright and big enough to quick peek the picture shot by you. Battery runs longer on this camera compared to D3400 and D5600, which is a major factor for any beginner to spend more time to enhance one's skill without worrying about quick draining battery. It came with a genuine Canon battery and charger, as well as a genuine SanDisk SD card. Most of the other accessories included are Vivitar brand, which is okay. Not exactly professional grade, but decent quality for the casual user. The controls and functions are basically the same, but the button layout on the back of the camera is more convenient. Based on my experience with the older model, this camera will be capable of producing professional-looking images. The camera itself looks to be immaculate and works perfectly. No signs of refurbishment. Takes excellent photos right out of the box with the factory lens. Number 1. Canon EOS 4000D Rebel T100 DSLR. Get ready to explore the world of photography with this incredible DSLR camera. It comes with everything you need to start capturing stunning photos and videos right away. This camera boasts an 18.0 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, allowing you to capture crisp, detailed images. Its full HD 1080p video recording ensures your memories are preserved in high definition. With its intuitive scene intelligent auto mode, it's easy to get great shots, even if you're a beginner. The 9-point autofocus system ensures your subjects are always in sharp focus. This bundle includes a generous array of accessories such as a SanDisk 32GB memory card, a tripod, a case, and much more, providing everything you need for a complete photography experience. It features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly share your creations with friends and family. Remote shooting is also possible via the Canon Camera Connect app. The included 18 to 55mm lens offers a versatile zoom range, perfect for capturing a variety of subjects, from wide landscapes to detailed portraits. Its optical zoom provides additional flexibility. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, this camera empowers you to capture and share your memories with ease. Start your photographic journey today. What we like. This renewed camera comes with a comprehensive accessory bundle, offering exceptional value. Its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for an easy-to-use camera with a great value bundle, this is a solid option. What people say. I'm an amateur but the pictures look professional. I've had this same camera before. The previous one wore out from use. I take a lot of photos as a newspaper photographer. Needed a replacement. I was even asked by my daughter's school to take group pictures of the play cast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.